All right, here's the exhaust tip. Go ahead, show them, Peanut. I see that double exhaust tip right there. That's what we had installed. I put the exhaust. It has. Hey, welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. That's Peanut, I'm James. Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures, where every day is an automotive adventure for us. You know, before we get into today's video, y'all know the routine. Reach out to both sponsors. Somebody sneezing, somebody's allergies getting to them. The graphicsspotva.com. Reach out to them for all your decal, graphic design needs. What's the second sponsor? Innovative Powders. Reach out to them, y'all. Innovative Powders. They got everything you need when it comes to powder coating. So reach out to him, you know, all the colors. If he can't get the color, he will get it for you, you know, whatever color that you want, whatever color that you need. And we're gonna, throughout this video, we might as well just let them know, for now on throughout the videos, our sponsors will be getting some little spots here and there, you know, throughout the video. I'm trying to change some things up, like I mentioned in the video before this one. So, you know, we were trying some new concepts, I guess, is what you're saying, to help out our sponsors. You know what I'm saying? So, Team Run It, reach out to them. Today's video is going to be on old Roscoe. He's out the garage, y'all. He's out the garage. We're going to show y'all what we've been doing with him. And we might talk about some more plans, but we had to pull him out. We had to start working on him. He's just been sitting there, you know what I'm saying, marinating in the honeycomb hideout. So, let me go ahead and turn this around, especially before it starts raining. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see that rain right there? Them dark clouds. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, Team Runner. I'm going to let Peanut show y'all what we've been doing. Pretty much what we did was we installed a new radio with Bluetooth capabilities. Still got the CD player on it. A little Kenwood, you know what I'm saying, with the USB and the output. And here's the microphone. And also we installed 2 speakers. Show them the 2 speakers, Peanut. Go ahead. Yeah, we need to get new speaker grills. We're going to get them. Those are Sony 4x6s we went with. Right there, as y'all can see. Boom. Clean install by yours truly, Peanut, right there. Peanut did the install on those. He screwed them in, wired them up. And another thing that a problem we ran into on this install was somebody had hacked the wiring up for the radio. I think it had like a little radio piece that went here. All my OBS fans, you know, let me know if I'm telling the truth or not in the comments. There was a radio place here, like an equalizer or something was here. Then I think you had the radio here. So that it was two sets of wirings that was hacked up, right? Yeah. So we had to go on Google and identify what color wire was what. You know, power wire, ground wire, which that was easy to locate, but the speaker wires and all that. And we had to rerun our own speaker wires because it was hacked up so bad we couldn't even reuse the factory speaker wires. So we just ran our own speaker wires to these 2 speakers here to the front. And later on, we're going to end up, when I change out this headliner, take all this plastic interior pieces out, we're going to put 4x6s right here. Peanut's pointing at it. Some new 4x6s in there. And on the headliner install, and probably the carpet install too, because this carpet's nasty. It's coming up out of here. And run our speaker wires. You know what I'm saying? So we'll have all 4x6s in here. I'm not trying to do too much with the sound system other than having some crystal clear sound. That's all. So, and also this piece here, y'all, came from, I could paint it to match the interior, but it's black. I got this off eBay. It was like the factory, aftermarket, not factory, aftermarket radio mount for this. Along, you can reuse the factory vents and all that. So I'm just gonna leave it black. I think it looks pretty good just being black to match the radio. But yeah, this is what we've been doing with old Roscoe. Just trying to get some sounds in here. Well, we got 2 speakers working, so it's coming together. We had to get off our tails, right, and get out here and get it done. It was sitting out here waiting on us. But what else we do in here? That's it, right? Huh? Is that it? Boy, once we get on a project, man, it's like if we touch it, we're gonna try to get things done on it. So it's all good. It's all good. And I need to make we need to make a junkyard run. I can't wait till you old enough to go in the junkyard. You want to go to the junkyard? I know that'd be like a field trip, wouldn't it? Going to the junkyard. Yeah, the junkyards are nice, man. It's like our own very own toy store. You can go get all what you need, long as the vehicle is there for you to take, and at a cheap price. So yeah, y'all. So this is what we've been doing. This is what we've been doing lately. Oh yeah. Don't let me forget, Peanut. We got to order the sun visors too, along with this headliners coming up out of here. And yeah, I said it probably a couple of months ago that we was going to get this interior right, so we're going to get it right. It's time to get the carpet. The seat's going to be last. I know the seat's nasty, but the seat is going to be last. The last thing we do. Yeah, we'll get it all done. And of course, you already know it's going to get repainted back, that flame red, that GM flame red. That's the original color of the truck. It's going to get painted back. And also, we probably have to do something with the, oh, that's a B. Got to do something with that. It does have a tired 350 in it. It still starts up, cranks up, runs, but it's very tired. And that's going to be coming up out of here too pretty soon. So, all right, well, let me go ahead and close it out. What you guys say? Oh, I know what we got to say. Say on this video, you made the travel soccer team. We're going to celebrate all small and big wins. And you got student of the month, right? You got student of the month. Not student of the week, but student of the month. So we proud of you. All the small and big wins will be celebrated. And we got to attend your, what is that thing called? We got to attend your function Friday morning. We going to be there. You was trying to hide it from us, huh?
No.
You wasn't?
No.
All right. I'm just playing with you. But all right, let me go ahead and turn this around and close it out real quick. Sorry for being shaky, Team Running. All right, we're going to go ahead and close out this video. Just want to catch y'all up on what we've been doing with old Roscoe, our 1989 Chevy Silverado short bed. It's our OBS truck. Just want to let y'all know what we've been doing. But you know what? Before I close this out, I got to show y'all this exhaust tip that I had installed. What was it, in December, right? It was a couple of months ago. We had the exhaust work done on this. So let me turn around before I close this out. Hold on. All right, here's the exhaust tip. Go ahead and show them, Peanut. I see that double exhaust tip right there. That's what we had installed. I put the exhaust. It has I want to say a Flowmaster 40 on it, muffler. It still has the Cadillac converter on this, but I went ahead and put the exhaust tips right there in front of the tire. I always like that setup anyway, man. I always like that short setup anyway, but that's what we got right there, y'all. I need to clean them up. But we went ahead and got that together because I got tired of it sounding terrible. Yeah, I still think we got to do the axle flip on it and C-notch the frame, but I'm not too much worried about that right now. I think I'll get it painted before we even get to that. But once we done, man, it's going to be an alright truck. It's going to be an alright truck. Tell you right. It's going to be an alright truck. Alright. Alright, we're going to close out this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell and hit up our sponsors too for any work that y'all need to have done, especially if you in the local Central Virginia area, or if you out of town, man, they'll make it happen. But hey, that's Peanut. I'm James. It's Peanuts Automotive Adventures. We out. Peace.